Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Holo Ai. In order to do so, here we are at tryholo.ai. And what is Holo all about? Well, you can launch 10 times more content 75% faster. Holo turns your website into ads, emails, and social posts. Hundreds of content pieces generated while you sleep. And if you are interested, you can click here where it says buy now. And Holo is starting at $39 a month. Done for you ad creatives, generating high performing ads on demand, fully branded and ready to launch. Done for you social media content, create consistent branded content for every platform all in one place. Done for you emails, from welcome sequences to promos. Write better emails without starting from scratch. And we also have currently a 60% off redeem code here. Might be for a limited time there. So if you are interested in Holo AI, head over to tryholo.ai, see if you can snag that 60% off. And you're looking at about $39 a month. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials. We'd love to have you on Discord. Also, our AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.